Hi, my name is Christy Chase, and it is with immense pride that I introduce to you the spectacular Maddie Wood.
The more I see, the less I know for sure. That's a John Lennon quote that I feel I relate to. And it's true. When I was given this task to write a belief statement, it really stumped me. What do I believe in? I'm really not sure. I'm a 14-year-old girl. I believe in my Arctic Monkeys record and my mom's credit card. But it really got me thinking. These past few years, I've been through a lot of change, and I've been discovering myself as a young adult through things like music and concerts and traveling and meeting new friends and all that. The more I've seen, the less I know, but I've realized that's okay. Who wants to know everything anyways? Being young and naive is great. It makes life more fun. I feel that it is important to have a positive outlook on life. Everyone was put on earth for a reason, and you may as well take that for granted. Live in the moment and do what you love. Don't let anyone get in the way. Rid yourself of all negative energies and be happy for you. I'm learning that you can try and make everyone happy, but if that's making you unhappy, then it's not worth it. There will always be somebody telling you that you aren't good enough, but at the end of the day, you need to stop holding on to what hurts and make room for what feels good. Through music and performance, I've figured out the only thing I know for sure. I love to perform and I love to write, and I'll continue to do it as long as it makes me happy. And hopefully, it makes other people happy too. I don't know if there's a God, and I don't know where I'll end up, but I do know that whatever is meant to happen will happen. In the meantime, I'm surrounded by the most amazing people to figure out life with. Thank you to my parents and my family for being my biggest supporters, to my friends for being the most wonderful people I could have asked for, and to my mentor, Christy, one of the most amazing women I know. I hope you enjoy the rest of the service.